I am finally getting around to doing my review of January by Jon Renau. I haven't done a wig review for absolutely ages and I'm sorry about that. I've been so busy working full time now. Paul works at home as well and he's constantly on calls, so trying to find a quiet moment in this house is really difficult. So this January is in the colour 10RH16, which is a really nice warm brown with blonde, honey blonde highlights running through. Really, really pretty colours. So January is a really cute shoulder length wavy bob, really, really lightweight, so light. You wouldn't even know she's on your head. I will put her on in a minute and show you what she looks like on, but that is the length and style. So you've got a monofilament, I can never say it, can I? Monofilament area on top. See, my hand's in there, it looks like the hair is growing out of your scalp when she's on, and it goes all the way around here. And then quite a large lace front as well. She's then got the soft velvety ear tabs and you've got the Velcro tightening tabs, and it's open wefting for the rest of the wig, which is good for breathability. I quite like open wefting. It is a cheaper wig cap, but it's very breathable, it's good for summer. Do we reckon she's gonna go over the hair like this? Let's have a go. Oh, because I've got clips in, give me a minute. And she's on. Right, look at the lace front on her. You can see a bit of the lace here. I always trim mine right up to the hairline. You don't have to, you can if you want to. I just find if I keep the lace long, it gets makeup on it because I wear makeup. And it ends up looking a bit orange, so I always trim mine. Anyway, it's a really good lace front. So this is how she looks on. She's a really sweet little shoulder length, wavy bob. Let me show you all the way around. Really nice movement, really lightweight, as I said before. And you can see how the highlights run all the way through the wig. She's got some really nice little layers that frame the face and a bit of a sweeping side fringe, but you can part her anywhere within the monofilament top, so you could flip it and have your fringe going the other way. That's the beauty of a mono top. Why don't I just say mono top? So much easier. So that is January by Jon Renau in the colour 10RH16 from My Beautiful Wigs.